Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to show you guys a very uncommon dumbbell press variation that I find hits my chest better. And just in general, guys, something I find is when people are training their chest, and obviously this is very important for Pectus Excavatum to train your chest and develop it, is people have no mind-to-muscle connection with their chest. And so as a result, when they're doing chest exercises, a lot of the time it's triceps, it's shoulders. Okay, we want to establish a mind-to-muscle connection, okay? When you establish that mind-to-muscle connection and you really are able to slow down the movement and feel it in your chest, that's when the chest gains really start to kick in. And so I find this exercise helps me get a better mind-to-muscle connection with my chest and feel like I'm recruiting those chest fibers better, and I get a better chest pump than if I was doing a normal dumbbell chest press. So let's show you how to do it. A normal dumbbell chest press, you'd be lying down on the bench and pressing up like this. A lot of people, especially beginners, this is going to be all arms. All you're going to feel is your arms. Whereas this is what I like to call the crush grip dumbbell press. Okay, and when you do it like this with the heads together, it helps when you have hexagonal dumbbells like this rather than circular ones, because then you can keep them together easier. And then you come down and press. So you can probably see the difference just from this angle in terms of chest activation. So this is the normal dumbbell press. And this is the crush grip press. So you rotate them together, hold the dumbbells together, slow down, thinking about your chest the whole time, and control, slow and controlled tempo, squeezing the dumbbells in hard together, thinking about your chest, full range of motion. So guys, give the crush grip variation a go. Just comment below and let me know your thoughts and if you feel a better chest contraction with that. You really want to be, when you're doing exercises, thinking about the muscle you're trying to engage, and you should be feeling that pump. You should be feeling the muscle engage. That's a good way to know you're doing it right. Now guys, if you are interested in becoming a client, I program on my own app. There's a video of me doing every exercise, showing you how to do it properly, and all these parameters like tempo, reps, etc. are all programmed for you. And it gets you results. Just look at my client results. So if you're interested, you want to improve your pectus without surgery, my coaching is definitely the route. I've helped thousands of people now, and I'd love to help you. So go to my website and then book a strategy call with me so I can meet you. Make sure you're going to be a good fit, because no case of pectus is the same, and there are different approaches to improving it or fixing it. So it's important that I meet you first, and then we can go from there.